Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Shakay and I do vlogs, lifestyle and beauty videos. So if you're interested in any of those kind of content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click the bell so you're notified every time I make a video. So today's video, guys, it's gonna be a pack with me kind of video. So just blocking out some of the noise. So today's gonna be like a pack with me, a kind of glow up kind of video. Not much, but yeah. So just me preparing for like a weekend, something. Anyways, so let us roll the footage of me packing and then the footage of me getting my nails done and when my hair was just done, because I didn't film when I did my hair. So yeah, but yeah, here it is anyways. And now I'm gonna just, yeah, so let's just roll that. I actually got my hair already done today, but as usual I always forget to film when I'm getting my hair done. But anyways, this is my hair. It just finished cream. Well, not just, it creamed for morning, but yeah. So yeah, I just decided to show you guys what my hair looks like when it does cream and all. I think I got burnt like some here and here, not sure, but you feel, yeah, have that feeling. But anyways, Monday I will be getting my nails done, and for the first time in like for the first time ever, I'm gonna get my toes done. So yeah, but anyways, until then I will see you guys then. This is Attribution. You guys should go ahead and check out our channel. Yes, hair comb, hair cream.
No, certain time my hair comb coming in our video.
Yeah, anyways, so today's video, oh yes, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you have not yet as yet, and I'll, yeah, let's get into the video. So we're gonna pack and we're going somewhere a weekend. I'm a sister, but I'm a pack fan now. She about me. But anyways, I have to empty out the bag. Guys, so now I need to figure out where I'm gonna put all these things, because this, my sister wanna carry that and I'm carrying this one. But yeah, I just need to figure out where I'll put them now, because I have sheet and towel and all that, and these have some vacation things in there, but I still need to figure out where I'll put the things then. So the bags are empty, that's empty as well. She just get up, you're just force me.
If you ever let this a kick you,
you realize I may put you up there so for a reason?
Oh, okay, so you put it
yes. Part, well, some of them. It's just that me gotta take you out of the bag and me see them, so I'm just put them up there. Alright, peoples. It's not fixed good. Shani just, she won't even help me. Alright guys, this is what we have so far. No, these not carry, this not carry. Let me take this off. Sorry. Yeah. Guys, I am packing. Well, look at her. Not our truth.
Already, guys.
You know, pack. See bag, yeah.
The bag.
See the bag, yeah. Empty.
It's
so
already
pack
packed.
It. Anyways, I'm going to pack. narrowed down to only these. I need to like narrow it down more, but yeah, still have the bathroom to sort through. I definitely know this one is going, so that can go down, but I don't know what else. That's all I know. Alright guys, so I'm now going to fold all of that so they can hold in the bag. I don't know, I'm gonna put in phone and see, but yeah, probably here so I can't really see. But oh well. Yes, my pack for your bag and mine a pocket. I don't even know which day me wearing what. She know all of that. Anyways, let me just sort through. Alright guys, so I have most of the things in this. I'm going to pack up. I just needed to know where it's going to go. Yeah, so this I'm gonna pack up now with I think my bathroom stuff. I'm gonna pack up my makeup stuff as well. I have a bag, and then that I gotta pack up with some stuff. Those now are going to the other parts and bag. Yes, people wear kids. Alright guys, so finally try and fit the makeup and it come in a 2 bag. I don't know how that work. The palette now I have to go in this bag because I don't want it break. But yeah, that's need to fix. So some bathroom stuff and
what need to fix, Shakay?
my bathroom and my face stuff. Yeah. Hi guys. So we are at the nail salon. Hey Cheyenne. Hi Cheyenne. Hi Cheyenne. So then just ignore me. Hi Tovi.
Hi y'all. I'm not sure tired. She don't want me to try her face.
Hi Cheyenne.
I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing. Oh, I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing. Oh.
My vlog, me and you. Hi.
What's she want to put up with you?
Say hi to the vlog. Shane, say hi to the vlog, Shane.
You love vlog?
Shane, say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
Baby, come watch here.
Hi.
No, I don't use mommy seat.
Alright guys, so I'm back home. Nails are done. I did it in a white and yellow favorite color, and the toes are done too. So these are my toes. They're yellow, and it's the first time doing acrylic on my toes because we wear sneakers, but my sister kind of sold me on it. So yeah, so yes, that's gonna be the look or wherever we're going. So just I'll give you guys like the prices while I'm doing the things and whatnot. So yeah. Hi Timothy. Hi. How do you do? For some reason you look yellow. Shani Kroom just always on the phone look yellow.
I don't like to.
Yep. Your format room is yellow. Hi. She's doing work up there. Timothy's on TikTok. And I'm gonna do work. Alright, so it's like Thursday evening now, and this is the bag. It's fully packed. This is, oh, that's a present for somebody. This is the knapsack I'll be carrying. This is what I'm wearing tomorrow. I don't know that's gonna work with them at where them convinced me for the so as I see in the video. So anyways, in this bag I have like my hair stuff in here. Yeah, can't really show it in there right now, so like focus. All right, so I have my hair. I think this is the hair lotion. I have 2 combs, a big teeth comb and the next one, the hairbrush, the edge brush, oil, this shining thing. Yeah, I have, I think my, what this look like, touch with Jesus. Yep, it is. I'm gonna have to wrap that in something because it's thrown out in my bag, and that can't be nice for my bag. Anyways, I have my flat iron in there as well. I have a ponytail, one long ponytail I always carry, you know, just for like an evening. Anyways, in this part I have my head tie, some hair ties. I have like my jewelry pan. This is my jewelry thing that I'm carrying. All of the jewelries I'm carrying are in there. I have some mask I think in there, and I have a pan with some cotton swabs and cotton pads and cotton balls. So all that in there. And then let's close this up. Yeah, this part is kind of filled. I don't want it here because I had to sew it right there. Anyways, in the big part, let me move that before I squash it. In the big part, yay, I have underwear, bra, and like underblouse and socks up there. I'm not gonna pull out all of this for sure, no, because I think I showed most of the things that I actually packed. I just want to show you like how the bag look and all. In this I like pack like my nightie, and so like it'll come out as my reach. So yeah, that's in there. Utilize the spaces that you have, guys, when you're packing. So yeah, that's what I did, because since I'm gonna have to carry the bag, I just like, why not just pack something in it while it's in the suitcase. Anyways, so I did end up carrying makeup because I have to carry makeup for me, my sister, and my friend, that's Tovi. And this having like all the bathroom stuff and so on in it. So, and I kind of like downsize most of this stuff, so I try to, let's see if I can get it out without pulling up my bag. Give me a sec. How am I even doing this? I don't know. Anyway, so this is the bag. And if you guys, I think, well, no, I didn't show you guys this bag. I bought one for my sister. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I'm carrying like my brush, all of my bathroom stuff. This is shampoo, conditioner, my face wash, lotion, makeup remover, perfume, my healing oil. I have pretty much everything in here, so it was good that it could actually hold. But yes, I just put these right here, and right here. So those fit perfectly there. And then these just fit there. And then I just pack up these. Oh, my shoes over there. Bath suits are like right here, and then clothes over there. So yeah, that's like a sweater, mini towel, and I just want to carry like a hat, and I carry that tam just in case for anything, you know, I'm not sure. But yeah, I think I'm done packing. I don't think there's anything that I'm missing, but if there is, it don't get left because it can't hold. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for today's video. Pretty much unpacked, ready just tomorrow and like tonight to make some little hair prep and then bathe. Hi. We don't like put on clothes and whatnot, but yeah, done packing and all. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so you're notified every time I make a video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.